What I'm about to present to you guys in today's video is the hottest and the largest project yet on the Tenset Gem launch pad. This project, called Fame MMA, combines all the necessary ingredients to cook up a multi-billion-dollar business, and this is the fourth project on the Tenset Gem launchpad, TGLP. The TGLP is a prestigious launchpad. As a matter of fact, with just 3 projects, it has risen to become the #1 launchpad by market cap according to CoinGecko. The 3 projects launched so far on TGLP, Meta Hero, Kanga, and Everdome has done a combined total of over 300x at its peaks, and this is all in less than 1 year. Fame, which is the next project, is projected to be the largest. In this video, I'm going to tell you all about it and show you how you can buy this coin early. What you should do now, before you forget, is to give this video a like and subscribe if you have not. And let's get to the video. Fame MMA is the biggest in the world freak fight organization and a premier combat sport organization in Europe that has hosted mixed martial art events for celebrities, personalities, top YouTubers, Instagram and TikTok superstars, and famous professional athletes to fight each other. It was founded in 2018 and has run 13 large events to date, building a strong name for itself, an impressive business model. Fame has built a massive fan base and viewership, boasting of over 1 million followers across social platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Twitter. The strong engagement of the community can be seen from the number of reactions their posts and uploaded videos generate, running into hundreds of thousands up to millions of views. They currently have the second largest pay-per-view record in the world, behind only the American UFC organization, demonstrating their powerful marketing capabilities through their network of influencers. Fame has decided to tokenize and join the Tenset launch platform, as they believe that this technological jump will allow them to take advantage of the rapidly growing sector and create a more engaging relationship with their community through the issuance of their own Fame token. They view the blockchain industry as a huge opportunity to expand their business model on a global scale using a franchise system. This will offer them access to top sponsors around the world and the possibility to gain important strategic partners to take their brand and business to the next level, with, of course, Tenset as their guidance. The Fame token will be used to power the entire ecosystem, with all the services and transactions flowing through the native token. The token will be deeply connected to the business and have a strong utility and use cases in many areas, such as pay-per-view, gaming, marketing and sponsors, fighter salary, merchandise, franchising, NFTs, promotional offer, and staking. Fame token is a BEP20 token based on the BNB Smart Chain with a total supply of 10 billion tokens. Up to 5% will be for private sale, and the public sale will take 10%, which will be sold through the Tenset Gem launch platform, and 25% for games and staking, and the rest will be distributed amongst the team, employees and advisors, contracted fighters, decentralized and centralized exchange listing and liquidity, franchising system, company reserve, and so on. But all these have a vesting period of up to 3 years. For example, if you buy at the public sale, you'll receive 10% of the token that you bought at the listing date, and the remaining 19% will be spread across 365 days. This is done to ensure the stability of the token upward. To get more information on the tokenomics and the things I've mentioned, go to the official website, Fame MMA.io and click on the white paper. But guys, this is not all. To give you more insight on how well Fame is set to do, Meta Hero and Everdome have come aboard as partners, and they are sponsoring the athlete Robert Karas in the upcoming Fame MMA 14 Gala. Robert Karas holds the world record for the double, triple, and quintuple Ironman race. All the Fame team have been scanned in the Meta Scanner, and this Meta Scanner is going to be available on all Fame events to scan anyone that wants to be scanned. And this is also going to be used in the first marketplace. Now let me mention one more thing. The celebrities attending this Fame MMA, both competing and attending, has a reach of over 15 million followers. So you can imagine the reach the Fame token is going to get. You can only take part in the public sale if you have subscribed to the Tenset Gem Launch platform, which I have talked about a lot of times in this channel. So if you missed this, the only other way you can buy is to buy at the listing. Fame is set to be listed in 2 Tier 1 exchanges, and I'll be letting you know which ones in time. So guys, I'm writing off this, but let's look at some key points. 1. Fame MMA is the largest freak fight federation in the world. 2. It has over 1 million international community ready to support the token initiative inside and outside of crypto. 3. Fame MMA Gala filled the largest European hall without any problem, and event tickets sold out in minutes. 4. It is the #1 topic on the Central European social media and the most popular polarizing events in the MMA entertainment industry. 5. It recorded the 2nd largest pay-per-view sale result in the world, second only to UFC. 6. There is an upcoming massive marketing campaign. You can see promotion from top key opinion leaders, influencers, and sponsorship on a level the crypto community has never seen before. 7. It has already onboarded Tier 1 exchanges, and 8. It is launching through Tenset, which is the #1 launchpad by market cap. Guys, you can see that Fame tokenization is set to be a massive success. But as always, this is not a financial advice. There are no guarantees. Always do your own research before making any investment. And that is it, guys. I'll be leaving all the links in the description box. Always click on the bell icon after you're subscribed so you don't miss really important videos like this. And don't forget to share this video and give it a like. It is really, really important. I'll be waiting for your comments in the comments section. But one more thing before I go, I do not accept investments under any condition, and I will never contact you first or ask you to send me your crypto. Scammers do impersonate me using my pictures and name to take investment from people. Some persons have fallen for this. Beware, do not be a victim. I will see you in the next video. Bye.